All right, so I'm coming back out to Big Bear one more time. Well, I'll probably come again, but anyway, this is my third time. I'm coming up here because there's a storm coming. More snow, more activity. It's gonna be rough. If you can't tell, it's pretty windy. I came out from Palmdale through Apple Valley, ended up on the 18 highway right here behind me, and then ended up coming up the high road. The high road comes up, and I'm following all trails right now, and it loops around over here the railroad tracks, and then you have to go around the railroad tracks. The trail is right here behind you, and if you can't tell, there's a storm coming in right over here to Big Bear. It's coming in pretty quick right now. It's pretty hairy. Should be pretty fun. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna come up here, right up this trail right here, and go back up the mountain, and then hopefully I'll be able to get the drone up at some point. But I'll have my camera in the car, and I'll have this camera. So, thank you for joining me again. I'm going up to Big Bear in the snow. Thanks. All right, engine's running, charging the battery. I gotta fix that. I really gotta fix that. So I'm back inside, don't mind this. I was putting in a new max fan, I didn't finish, so I gotta install it 100%, but the top is sealed, the top is closed. From the last time I broke, somehow I broke the cover. But anyway, I'm back inside. I'm about to make me something to eat. I got the heater running, truck's running for a couple minutes just to charge the battery, and then hopefully we'll be all set for the night. Snow let up just a little bit. Let's see how bad it is right now. Not too bad. Not too bad. It's a little light flakes, not too heavy. I just stepped right here and wiped all this off. But so far it's about an inch and a half of snow since I started. So I want to start the fire. We'll see what happens. Provolone. Let that heat up real quick. Heater's kicking on and it's 55 right now. I have it kicking on at 55. So I'm gonna chill out. I'm gonna chill out now. Eat a sandwich. The snow is stopped for now. This is awesome. I'm loving this right now. This is really cool right now. I like this. Alright, so that's off. Got my sandwich. Some chips, a soda. I'm gonna eat my sandwich and then we'll check back in with you a little bit. See if it starts snowing again. Oh, it's so nice outside right now. Okay, I'll get right back to you. So, got a small problem. When I was driving, my battery terminal section is kind of still has much to be desired as far as working. I gotta change out the wires and it's kind of a mess, but anyway, it came apart, so I just gotta figure out how to attach it real quick before it snows anymore, because I was gonna wait till tomorrow when I wake up, but then I know there's gonna be a lot of snow out there and it'll just be probably harder. So I'm gonna see if I can fix it real quick. So let's go check it out real quick. Should be good right there. So I gotta reconnect this one and this one. This one's ground. Oh yeah, that one's ground too. Ground it to the engine block. Oh, yeah, this sucks. Can't be all ground, though it is all ground. My hands are a little wet. So these two are Jimmy. This engine block goes to the wall, and yeah, that does go to the engine block. See if we get a. Let me see. I want to make sure it starts real quick. There. Okay. I don't know why it's not working. Shouldn't leave you there while I'm trying to start the engine. Okay. Got it started. I can only imagine the battery was too low because it disconnected for who knows how long. And it's been running off the alternator. I hope the alternator didn't go bad. Man, I'm not a mechanic, I don't know for sure. We'll see. Stuck up in the snow, at least I can get it started. So that's the main thing. Let me see what happens when I take my foot off the pedal. Oh, it's holding. Okay. Gotta let it run for a couple minutes. Maybe the battery was just too low to start. Okay, hopefully that's good. Alright. It's dinner time. It's snowing out. It's almost 8 o'clock at night right now. Cooking some sausages inside because I can't start the fire to cook my steak. But it's going good. Everything's going really good. Let me see if we can see what's going on outside. I don't know if it's bad right now or not. It's not horrible. I just wiped all that off right there. Keep wiping it off, and they keep putting the snow back. Oops. Let's see a little bit more of the snow. I don't know if you can see the trees. I don't know. Anyway, it's not horrible, but it's snowing pretty good. So I do have my fan on, my new, it's not a fantastic fan, it's a nice one. I have to finish installing it obviously, but so this is going, I got this window open to see it's sucking in some of the snow. I feel a little snow hitting my hand right now. But night one is good. Tomorrow's supposed to be a nice day. I'm gonna go into town, get a part for the truck. And a chair. I forgot a chair. That's crazy. I don't usually forget things, but I forgot a chair. So even if I had a fire right now, I couldn't sit next to it because I don't have a chair. And I'm sure I could figure something out. But anyway, I feel snow coming in. I gotta close that one. Gotta open the other side. There's so much coming in. Oh, it's getting heavy now. Oh, it's a little bit work. Wow. Okay, snowing pretty good. This one doesn't hold. So I have magnets for that. A simple fix, simple quick fix. I'm gonna finish cooking my sausages, eat dinner, watch a movie, chill out. About 9 o'clock the snow should stop. I don't know what the weather report says. Between 9 and 10 it should stop snowing. Garmin weather app is pretty cool. Works on my Garmin device. In here right now it's 65 right now, but it's doable. It's not cold. I'm kind of hot actually. My heater just kicked on. Turn it down a little bit. Going good. I'm having fun. It's not sucking the smoke out for some reason. Oh. Probably because I closed this one, but there's smoke coming in by the window. Okay, now it's leaving. You gotta vent it properly or it's not gonna suck the smoke out. It's just gonna go smell up the bed and everything. Anyway, it's doing good. I like it. I'll get back with you in a minute.